Hi everyone. Welcome back to a new episode of Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your AMEX account. Watch the video till the end to log into your AMEX account. Firstly, open your AMEX application. The official page of AMEX will appear on the screen. Tap on Already Have an Account Login option to log into your AMEX account. Enter your user ID and password associated with your American Express account. After entering your user ID and password, tap on Login. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case you don't remember your user ID or password, click on Forgot User ID or Password. This is how you can log into your AMEX account quickly and easily, just in a few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.